Alright, so we got an E300 Mercedes Benz. Let's see what's really about to go on. Alright, like I was saying, we got an E300 Mercedes Benz. About to do a little pulls in it, motherfucker. I got some shit for y'all. Told you I got some dog shit for y'all little niggas. I'm about to get y'all some nice pulls in this shit, man. Some great pulls. Caught up in traffic type shit. Told you I get y'all the same outlet, same drive. Oh shit. It's a little E300. No. I hope this shit can hear me, bro. My shit better be, my volume better be valid, bro. Word of me. Let me close the window for y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Not gonna play too much music because I ain't about to get banned for, copyrighted. So we're gonna have to play that low. You feel me? Understand me? We get y'all a nice little. My camera should have been a little bit more zoomed out, but it's fine. It's good enough. I like how you got the see the still got the paddle shit. They gotta take this shit off, bro. Don't ever buy this for your car. If your steering wheel already like you in a foreign, do not buy this, bro. Like your steering wheel is Gucci, I promise you. Got a little check engine light. You'll be alright. Got cruise control down here. Got heated steering wheel. I ain't gonna lie. Heated steering wheel is crazy work, even though we don't need that shit. I'm about to hit y'all with some great pulls right here. I'm looking at the camera straight through here. I'm not even gonna look at the real thing. I'm gonna look straight through here, you feel me? Using paddle shifters and all. Y'all know my body when it comes to this shit, man. We in Sport Plus right now. And make sure. This truck fiending. You not about to beat me? Fuck you mean? Her ass like Jello. Got the gat on her back. Shit stupid fat. You thought he was doing something back there. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna be legal with this cut up shit, man. I'm gonna show y'all how to cut up legally. You feel me? Nice little Benz E300, you feel me? Oh, yo. Excuse me. I'll get through there. I'ma get through there. You know I'ma get through there, twin. You feel that thing? That thing pulling. I ain't gonna lie, that thing is pulling. Oh, let me slow down. In that Sport Plus. Y'all know how this get. Y'all know how I get in that Sport Plus thing. Y'all know how I get, man. I told y'all how this shit get, man. We be digging. Cutting up traffic. I know a lot of y'all can't drive and shit. So, you know how that go. You gotta really learn how to drive this mom. Y'all know how to drive like me? And y'all let me know. Feel me? Should I cut there? Yeah, I got it. I could have hit the other one, but I'm trying to stay behind a Q50 type shit. There's a lady in there, probably my mom Duke type shit, so I ain't gonna do that. Feel me? Watch, look in the rear view, bro. Niggas is D-Ron. I'm not even using the paddle shifter. Let me get through there, ma. Excuse me. Oh my goodness, this thing kick. This thing got that kick to it. I ain't gonna lie, twin. You motherfucker diff. I don't know if you could drift and spin, but we ain't gonna try it tonight. Cause we just trying to cut up. We just trying. You hear that? What's open? A window? Close that window, bro. Oh my goodness. Let me get through here real quick. Skip through that lane. We is cutting up in traffic. No, a lot of y'all can't, you feel me? A lot of y'all can't do this right here. I ain't gonna lie. I wish we could zoom out further, bro. So I gotta get the GoPro, head cam, really get y'all what y'all looking for type shit. Soon. I don't know what kind of car I want for just straight car content. My Infiniti gonna really be my daily. If I get a car, that shit gotta be for straight content. I ran it out. It's getting hot. I'm sorry, bro. I gotta open the window, bro. I just got to. I'm about to see if it spin right here. What a traction control in this motherfucker. Ain't no traction control turn off. See, this is why you don't get this kind of car. You can't spin that motherfucker. Check engine light on. I'm still pushing this shit. You pushing this shit though. I ain't gonna lie, we is pushing it. Woo! Let me on 8 minutes. I'm about to race the motorcycle. Watch this. He wild. He gonna fall off that shit. He wild and he gonna fall off that shit. I should have white line crazy just now. I could have. I'm trying to catch up. Hella shit falling in the back. Let me stop playing. Let me stop trolling. Come on, don't troll me now, motorcycle. Nigga trolling. I act like you ain't want to speed just a little while ago. It's hot out here, bro. I don't know what drive. We in drive 3. That shit moved though. We in that C300. You know E300 thing. Be sliding with the one hand. I'm driving that motherfucker. You feel me? Understand, mate? We is pushing like red Benz. Watch out, cause that thing is cutting up in traffic. Come on, don't stop me. You wildin', ma. You in that thing. You really in that thing right now. I'm trying to get a good thumbnail, but I just can never seem to get one. I hope this is a good one right here, bro. Somebody screenshot that and send that to me. Feel me? Shout out to my thumbnail artists. Let me see what I can do for y'all. I could maybe push it in. That's about it. Yeah, I could get a better one like this. That's about it. Other than that, I can't do nothing. Gotta relax in the seat when you drive with that one hand thing, cause a lot of people can't do this, you feel me? Now I gotta turn the AC on, bro. It is fucking baking in here. Like when I say baking, I mean baking outside. It's like 80 degrees outside, I heard. Yeah, we gotta turn the AC on, man. And you got this. You cannot drive with this. This is slip. Look, I could have just. You feel me? If you're not really gripping the steering wheel, cause a nigga like me, I be. Let me get through there. Excuse me. White line crazy right now. They would have been mad as hell for our white line right there. I ain't gonna lie, they would have been mad as hell. I gotta hit a white line for y'all one time on the channel. I don't know yet when, cause I don't really drive these cars daily, you feel me? So I don't know which ones I could cut up. Only real one I know I could white line is a Nissan or a BMW. Cause them shit's just too get through there, you feel me? Like right here, I'm about to get through here, watch. I'm about to get through here. That's how you get through there, you feel me? That's how you get through there. That car better slow the fuck down. Word. Me act like I'm up. I'm not cutting up. I'm really cutting up right now. Like I'm cutting up something crazy. Niggas not fucking with me. All y'all niggas really can't drive, man. I ain't gonna lie. That shit ain't got no burbles or nothing. That shit ain't got no room to it. You feel me? That shit got a little to it. Shit's like wanky. You got the Mitsubishi outside on BBSs? Are those BBSs? I think those are BBS, y'all. Let me know in the comment section. Man, there's some other shits. And we got Honda right there. We outside, bro. Really cruising in this shit. 9 minutes full. I ain't gonna lie. The video is about to end. made it to this for, comment down chicken butt. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me see what they playing. Bullshit, they ain't playing no good music. They playing music out there. I thought that was in here. Let me hear. Shallow. Hey, EB. Shallow. Oh, EB. Oh, shallow. I was shallow. Let me get back up in here. That's the end of the little POV. I'm gonna say E300 20. I don't know what year this is. 2017, my fault. I do know a year. Act like I don't know shit. I be acting a little slow sometimes, y'all, but leave a like, comment, and subscribe for me, fo. We out.